Hello, amazing viewers. Welcome back to Boy People TV, where we bring you the most exciting updates from across Southeast Nigeria and even beyond. Today, we are tuning into a very important spotlight on a groundbreaking innovation that's got everyone talking as we speak. The Rosette Motors electric car, proudly manufactured right here in the heart of southeastern Nigeria. Under the dynamic leadership of CEO Kelechi Orji, Rosette Motors have taken a bold step forward by designing and assembling electric vehicles locally. Yes, you heard that very correctly. A fully patented, homegrown electric car. This marks an incredible leap for our region's automotive industry, showcasing top-notch innovation and craftsmanship. But wait, there is still more. Rosette Motors is gearing up to officially launch their state-of-the-art manufacturing plant in Abia State. This is set to change the game for the local auto industry and challenge established players like Innoson Motors. Trust me, Innoson is going to need to step up because Rosette Motors is bringing a whole new level of competition with a unique twist on electric vehicle production. Now let's talk about what makes this vehicle a showstopper. No fuel needed, no engine noise, and best of all, no routine servicing. That's right. This electric car eliminates the need for an engine, making it an eco-friendly, low-maintenance option for drivers. It's very quiet, sleek, and packed with innovative features. Think of it as Africa's very own Tesla, made with love and ingenuity right here in Abia State. And speaking of making waves, Rosette Motors recently showcased their electric car at the just concluded Food and Fashion Festival in Enugu State. The crowd was buzzing with excitement as they got an up-close look at this marvel of modern engineering. It was a proud moment that screamed Igbo to the world. As we continue to demonstrate that southeastern Nigeria is a powerhouse of creativity and technologically advanced area. This milestone isn't just a win for Rosette Motors or even just Abia State. It's a win-win for all of us here in the southeast. It's proof that the Made in Aba brand is on the rise and set to become a household name, representing quality and forward-thinking solutions. So, what's next for Rosette Motors? With the Abia State plant already in motion, the company is poised to expand its reach, inspire more local talent, and put Nigeria on the map as a key player in the global electric vehicle market. And for those who doubted whether the Igbos are the Japanese and Chinese of Africa, well, here is your answer. Here is your proof. As we continue to break barriers and set new standards, let's celebrate this remarkable achievement. Rosette Motors has shown that with determination, innovation, and of course, community support, anything is very, very possible. Thank you for joining us for this special report. Don't forget to always like, share, and subscribe for more amazing stories right here on Boy People TV. Until next time, see you in our next video.